Hey folks, how y'all doing? Oh man, what a beautiful sight in the land of grills. What else would you expect to see in the land of grills? But grills, right? Nice and shiny ones too. I'll tell you what, it is hard for me to cook on all of these, and some of them I don't cook on. But you know, it's like everybody always asks, when are you gonna cook on this one? When are you gonna cook on that one? Folks, I can only cook so much. So today, we've got on the Masterbuilt 560 Gravity Series Charcoal Grill, we've got some, oh man, thick cut pork chops that are marinating. Real simple marinade. I'm going to show you how to do that. And I got some taters too. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. I tell you what, why don't you go take a look at those pork chops? I'll get this fired up. All right, so there's tons of ways to brine, and I looked for the simplest one, and I think I saw someone else do this too. So I got 2 cups of water, and we're just going to put 2 cups of water in our bowl here, and we're actually going to use a Ziploc bag to brine our thick cut pork chops. Then got a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You can use regular sugar, but I like brown sugar, and then tablespoon of salt. That's it. I'm gonna whisk those together really good, and then we're gonna add that into a bag, into a Ziploc bag with our thick cut pork chops. Let this go for about 6 hours. All right, chops are out 6 hours in the bath there, the salt and brown sugar. And now for seasoning, I'm using some of this Cowboy Joe's from Cindy Lou's. It's got coffee in it. It's got some more brown sugar in it and a little bit of salt. And that's what I was looking for, just to complement everything that we already did. And now it's going to go on the smoke. I've got the Masterbuilt set at 150 and it's smoking away. I'll tell you what, folks. Oh, man. And then we're going to do hot and fast sear using the Masterbuilt. All right, you're saying skewered sliced taters. So what you do is you just I took 2 taters, cut them up into, about 1/4-inch slices, microwaved them. You're saying, oh, no, but you got to catch up to the grill here. And then once they were soft enough that I could skewer them, I tossed them in some olive oil first. And then we have seasoned them. These are seasoning. And it's going to go on to the grill just like that. Easy way to handle your taters, folks, don't you think? All right, we'll take a quick look here. Just been on for about 15 minutes. I'll tell you what, 152, not even pellet grills. Usually are like right around 160. This thing, 150 is at low set point, and it does it pretty well. Although my lid temp does not agree. It's saying closer to 160, 165, but I'll tell you what, you want to see the smoke? That is awesome, folks. That's charcoal doing that. Yeah, it might be into a little bit of that hickory. Put 2 chunks of hickory in there too. But you were saying, hey Tom, I haven't seen one of these before. You've got some sort of deflector there on your 560. Now I've got this one, and folks, I don't sell these. I'm not in the business of selling stuff. I just like making videos. But my son Brian Horseman at Mad Horse Barbecue, check him out on YouTube, and Ricer over there at Dead Broke Barbecue. I'll leave the link below for his channel too. They both have one of these too, and it works fantastic on the 560. All right, let's take a look. You can see smokes all over the place. We're set at 150. Oh my smokes. Yeah. Chops on the top, taters on the bottom. Oh man, look at that. Getting some good smoke on there. Keep on going. Give you a look-see when we're ready to sear. Look at that, after 45 minutes. Still says 150. Closer there. Oh man, look at that. So we're getting ready to sear these off. And I'll give you a look-see at that. Getting hungry. All right, folks. Let's sear some pork chops, shall we? There they are. So that's 650. 650, well, that's what it is. Give them about 2 minutes. Give you
Right.
Well, I lied. 1 minute. Let's take a look at 1 minute. I can hear it popping in there, and I think it's ready to turn. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah. Now we'll go for 2 minutes. All right, 2 minutes. See what it's doing on this side. Oh man, look at that. Yeah, looking nice. All right, we're gonna go maybe another minute or two. Give you a look-see once they're plated up. Oh man, just off the grill. Look at taters. Isn't that the easiest way to do taters right there? Put them on a stick. And oh, look at that. Perfect. Oh yeah. Little bit of smoke there. Let's take a little bit of our pork. Oh, look at the juice coming out of the bottom there. It's only been about a minute, so. Nicely done. Pick up a little bit of the juice. Oh, wow. All right, folks, you don't need to hear me chew. Oh, man, so good. A lot of smoke in there, I'll tell you what. Even these taters, a little smoke in there, too. Tom Horseman YouTube, folks. Hope you enjoyed this. This was awesome. And doing the wet brine with the sugar and the salt paid dividends, folks. Hope you try this, too. Super simple to do. Remember, if I can do it, so can you. Tom Horseman YouTube. Leave a thumbs up. And as always, appreciate you watching. Thank you.